Going to New York? Hold her hand. Oh, cute. Ew. We're going to New York. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Happy Tuesday. We are heading, me and little lady are heading to New York. My mom got invited to a red carpet ministry movie called The Forge. And so we're going. I'm gonna just support her and be her little lady, so she can just have support. So I'm excited. We're meeting my spiritual grandmommy, is Pastor Bridget Hilliard. She'll be there. And yeah, I haven't been to New York in like 11 years. So welcome to the vlog. If you have not already, make sure to subscribe and stick along with me. You're gonna get outfits, you're gonna get life, you're gonna get, that's it, outfits and life on this vlog. All right, let's go. To New York. We are in the room and we're getting ready to meet down for lunch. I don't know where we're going, but wherever we go, my grandmommy always eats really good, so she always picks really good places. So we're gonna go out there. We're gonna meet down there in about 5 minutes. I'm gonna use the bathroom. My headache is headaching, but usually after a flight I have one, so I'm just declaring healing for my head in Jesus' name. But the view is beautiful. This is gonna be a really fun night. I'm excited. We're in New York!
For one day.
One day. 24 hours.
One day.
Where's she at? I need some coffee, so I'm gonna get me some coffee and drink coffee and straighten my hair. I'm gonna straighten my hair to see where my length is at, and also it'll be really easy to get up and go. This week I didn't bring a scarf to take care of my curly hair, nothing. So we are gonna straighten the hair. Been wearing this hat all day. I decided to wear, can you guys see me? Okay, we'll talk in a little bit. We're meeting here. This is where we are. So cute. Hi, boo. Look at you. Okay, I got you. I got you. At the movie theater. I'm so sorry I didn't get to film a get ready with me because we had to get ready in 2.7 seconds. It was so crazy. We were like, what time is it? What time is it? But we made it, and so we're at the theater now. We're getting ready to watch the movie. I'm so excited. There's my mama. And what else? That's it. After this, we're gonna go to dinner, so I'll see you guys in these New York night streets.
And tonight our party. So the movie has so many aspects for us as believers, and then for just people in general. We are using it as a tool to witness to our community.
The most important thing is that we can't do this without you. We need everyone to pull out your phones, record what's happening, and then share it with everyone in your network with the hashtag.
Well, of course, there's a script because they're writing it, but they're going to give you the lines and then say, now put some swag on it. They understand that they're not going to be able to script what a black mother would say to a black son. So they're going to give you the general idea because of course it's a story to tell, so they got to stay in the vein of that. But then they're like, all right, now say it how you would say it to your own children. Or they even talk to us about name choices. I appreciate them so much because they're very collaborative in wanting to make sure that they try to capture what might not be able to be captured on the page just from their writing. So,
all right, guys, movie is over. We're getting ready to head to our transportation. So excited. Here we go. Don't stop. Don't stop. Okay. Movie was amazing. Was it good, Mom?
Movie. Oh my god.
Good. Now we're in Times Square. Literally, it's nighttime. Look how bright it is out here, guys.
Nice. I'll get in the back.
Okay, go ahead. I'll leave you. I can squeeze anywhere. Anyway, so yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. Let me show you.
Yeah, you can.
I am unreadied and I'm about to go to sleep. You see my mom's moisturizer. I'm having an allergic reaction to something. But I want to say goodnight and that today was amazing and I'm sleepy. See y'all in the morning. Hey guys. Good morning. Me and my mom, we are walking around. We're heading to Fifth Avenue to go and see Central Park for the first time. I've never seen it. You guys haven't been here in 13 years. It's crazy, but I'm super excited. And what else? We're just gonna kind of just see it with our eyes and then walk back because we have to catch our flight. So there's my mama. We got dressed, we slept in, we chilled. It was beautiful. So let's go. Guys, we left Central Park and we walked all the way back to get our luggage so we can catch the car, and we made it 7 minutes to spare. Oh my god. Okay guys, okay, so we booked it from, where did we book it from? We were on like what, 59th? 60th. We're on 60th.
Central Park?
Yeah.
I think so.
We walked it from 60th to 42nd in like 20 minutes. We ran. We made it to our car. Oh.
Actually, 40 minutes.
Yeah, it took a while.
Yeah, we left there at 1:40.
We left Central Park at 1:40, and it took us. We left at 1:40. We arrived at the hotel at 2:18. So it took us 40 minutes to walk all the way back. I can't even believe my hair is still intact right now. We made it though. Let's do this.